Hi, my name's Kathy, and I had a double total hip replacement surgery. Actually, it was over a year ago. When I think back of how this all started, I was a tomboy. I jumped out of swings, I jumped out of trees. I was a total maniac. Then I started running. I was a runner, I was a tennis player. Over time, that caused severe sports arthritis, which I guess started to really hit me about 10 years ago. I came on kind of gradually, and then it hit pretty badly. I started to limp. I started to be in constant pain. That actually went on for about 3 years. I had to start using a cane to walk. It didn't stop me though. I still worked full time. I went to the gym. I took care of my horses. I shopped. I vacuumed. But it was very hard, very difficult. Couldn't sleep, in pain all the time. The pain was so bad that when, like I'm sitting now, if I went to stand at that time, I would actually see stars from the pain. It was so bad. I didn't talk about the pain because who wants to hear somebody complaining all the time? So I kept quiet about it. 3 people ended up telling me about Dr. Moore. 2 friends, and then the third person was a coworker. As soon as he told me about Dr. Moore, that was the 3rd time I heard about him, I thought, okay, this is it. It's time for me to call Dr. Moore. So he left my office. I got out the phone book. I called Dr. Moore. Luckily, I could get in right away. Got to see him. I had the surgery. The first surgery was amazing. My recovery was amazing. I had the physical therapy, and I'd been going to the gym with my cane and struggling along and doing everything at the gym, so I had muscle. So the recovery was quick. And then I had the next surgery just the following month because I was headed for a wheelchair very quickly. So after the second surgery, I was able to do, the physical therapist knew I was very motivated, so I could do my therapy on my own. And then when I had my visit with Dr. Moore, he said, okay, do you want to have physical therapy or do you want to go back to your gym? And I said, back to the gym. So I started going back to my gym, and it was wonderful not to go to the gym with a cane or 2 canes, because at the end I was using 2 canes. So I was able to go back to the gym and do my workout. I was able to take care of my horses. And life without pain, you forget what it's like. You forget what it's like to actually be able to get out of the bed or get out of this chair and be able to walk and not have tears in your eyes, because of the pain. You forget what it's like to not be able to sleep at night. I mean, I couldn't even sleep. So being able to just sleep is amazing. It's just, I told Dr. Moore when I went back for my follow-up visit, I said, Dr. Moore, you gave me my life back. And he did. He gave me my life back. I would have been in a wheelchair, and I'm just not that kind of person. It would have been kind of a living death for me. So I can't say enough about this. So if you're tired and you're overwhelmed by pain, just know that there is hope for you, because nobody could be in worse shape than I was and still be mobile. So please, please consider this, and it is a great thing to do.